January 12, 1888. A deadly blizzard swept across the Northwest Plains, hitting Nebraska, the Dakotas, and Minnesota. Known as the Schoolhouse Blizzard, it came without warning. Up to 6 feet of snow fell in some areas, driven by fierce winds that created blinding whiteout conditions. The storm hit just as children were leaving school, leaving many caught in the open, battling freezing temperatures and heavy snow. Tragically, over 230 people lost their lives, including many children. The storm was so powerful that it changed how we forecast and prepare for severe weather. 6 feet of snow, unimaginable tragedy, and lessons that shaped our future. The blizzard of 1888 will never be forgotten.